All right, we're back with the Solo 4, not even wireless, just the Solo 4 unboxing video. Gonna quickly show you guys how this looks. So it seems like they've changed a couple different things. Everyone seems to be moving to USB-C, and all the boxes get smaller and smaller, so hopefully that means good profits for Apple. All right, so if we look here, it looks like there's no embossed logos or anything on the side. We'll tear into this here. Ooh, fresh. It's okay, Aaron will pick this up later. Oh, nice. That's actually pretty sweet. They got, looks like some kind of engraved frame right there. Beats Solo 4. 100% fiber-based packaging. Right on. Gotta do something with all the extra corn we got kicking around in Iowa. All right. So it has a very similar case as the Studio Pro, same style that they came out with. And voila, a Solo 4. These look a lot smaller than the Solo 3s. Interesting. So as you guys can see here on the bottom, they got the USB-C charger port now. They got on what looks like the right side the number 4 icon. Really creative. Yeah, wow. Super interesting. You guys can see the finishes here. It's a very similar frame as the Solo 3. The only thing that looks different is it feels lighter. All right, we got this case here. Looks like more of a mesh case, a little bit different than the style they had previously. And inside we have a gray USB-C charger cable, USB-C to USB-C. And we have a audio cable, which is just a straight in audio cable, which is a little bit different than the previous styles, which they had an L end on one side and a straight end on the other. All right. And then inside this case, you have 2 little pouches. The pouches are for your cables, which I actually really like, which is different than the Solo 3. Interesting. Well, there's really nothing else to unpack here, but we're gonna make a review video here. If you guys like to watch that, this is just the unboxing and first impressions. First impressions, these look smaller. These would be really nice for the gym. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know, we'll have to put them on to see how they sound like. All right, hope to see you guys in the review video. That's all we got here for the unboxing for the Solo 4 Beats headphones.